So hello everyone, this is Neeraj. Welcome to my channel Master Tech. So in this video we will be doing a review of the product Life Q10. This is an Anker Soundcore product which is very good product. So I have brought this a week ago and by a week I am using this product. So in this video we will be discussing complete details about this product, the way it is priced, is it is worth product or not, whether you should buy or not. So be till the end of this video because this is going to be an interesting video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will not be missed with any of the videos which I will be uploading later. So without making any delay, let's start this video. So guys, this is the product and you can see the design. It is very good designed and the color is also a very good color. So this looks like one of the premium headphones in the market, and if you wear, like, many of the people will be seeing you and they will be thinking, oh, this is a very good product because it looks amazing. So in the Flipkart, in the specification of this product, you can see that this headphone is on the ear headphone, but to be clear, it is not on the ear headphones. This is over the ear headphones. Okay, so your ears will be completely inside this cushioning, so there will be no pressure on your ear. So I'll be wearing this product and I'll be showing to you. So this is the way it looks, as you can see. It is a good product and there is no pressure on my ear as well. So if I want, I can continuously use, like around 3-4 hours I can use. There is no problem at all. And coming to the comfort, it is very good. It is so much comfortable. And coming to the design also, it is very good. So after the comfort and after the design, next let us come to the sound quality. So actually there are 3 buttons. Okay, there are this is an on off button, as you can see. This is an on off button, and this is the volume up and down button, and this is the bass up button. When, like, I did not notice much difference between the bass up and the normal. So it is up to the song which you play. And coming to the audio of this is amazing. So the clarity is one of the best and the bass is also a very good. So you can expect a very decent amount of quality and the good amount of bass from this product. And as I told you in the previous video, I have brought this product for 2049, that is 2049 rupees. I feel this is the worth product if we consider the sound quality of this product and the build and the comfort criteria. So coming to the disadvantage of this product is the weight of this product is too large. So you can feel when you hold this, or you can feel when you put this on your head. So it is quite heavy headphones. So nearly, like, the weight, it might be close to 450 to 500 grams. So this is like half a kg. So on the paper it looks huge, but when you get used to this product, then you don't feel the heaviness of this product. So if you are buying this product to use, basically like to watch a movie or to listen to songs, then there is no problem for you guys. But if you are buying this product in order to wear during the training hours or during the exercise, then this will not be suitable for you, because you feel the heaviness of this product, and like while doing the exercise you might feel that this headphone is going to slip. So that is the major thing about this product, because the weight is very huge. So other than that, I did not find any disadvantage of this product. So make sure if you are going to buy this product just to wear during your exercise, then I suggest you do not buy this product. So you can buy any other product where the weight is bit less, so that you will be comfortable while doing the exercise as well. So coming to the next advantage, it's battery. So the battery of this product is very large. So you can use like around 7 to 10 days in one charge. So it is very good, and it also has a fast charging where you can just charge for 5 minutes and you will be able to hear for 5 hours. So this is one of the great thing which I liked it from this product. Coming to the aux cable, so if you are on the traveling or if you are going out, if you do not have any battery left in it, then you can use the aux cable and you can use this product as usual. So the sound quality which I got from the aux cable is not up to the mark. Like, I did not feel the same sound quality which I was hearing with the Bluetooth. So there is a bit difference between the aux and without using the aux. So it will be a bit disturbance if you connect an aux cable, and it will be connected to your phone as well, so there will be a wire which will not be so feasible to use. But I recommend to charge it every time when you go out or when you use. So these were the pros and cons of this product. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Till there, take care and bye bye. Let's get this start. Bye.